Your social posts are getting likes, but where do the customers actually go? A like is not a booking. Today we fix that. We build a complete AI sales funnel for BrightHome Cleaning that turns a random homeowner into a paying first-time deep clean automatically. Exact tools, a real case study, and a copy-paste workflow. Here's the case study. BrightHome Cleaning wants busy homeowners to become customers. The plan? Attract them with a free 7-day Clean Home Reset checklist. Collect their email, deliver the checklist automatically, then follow up until they book a first-time deep clean. Before we build, here's the exact beginner stack. ChatGPT or Claude writes the offer, the page copy, and the emails. Canva Sites or Card builds the landing page. Mailchimp, Brevo, or Google Forms captures the lead. And Zapier or Make automates everything in between. Stage 1. Create the offer. We're not asking strangers to book right away. We give them something useful first. For BrightHome, that's the free 7-day Clean Home Reset checklist. Ask AI to draft it. Day 1 kitchen reset, Day 2 bathroom, Day 3 bedroom, then living areas, entryway, a weekly routine, and deep clean prep by Day 7. Stage 2, the landing page. Build it in Canva Sites or Card. It needs just 5 things: a headline, a short promise, 3 benefit bullets, 1 email field, and 1 button. 1 page, 1 goal, no menu, no distractions. Stage 3, capture the email. When a homeowner requests the checklist, that email has to land somewhere useful. Beginners can use Mailchimp or Brevo, or start with Google Forms as the fastest free fallback. Either way, the lead is now on your list. Stage 4. Automate the delivery. Zapier or Make connects the pieces. A new form submission triggers the checklist email and adds the subscriber to your list. The homeowner gets the checklist instantly, with 0 manual follow-up from you. Stage 5. The follow-up emails. Email 1 welcomes them and delivers the checklist. Email 2 shares a genuinely helpful cleaning tip. Email 3 invites them to book a first-time deep clean. Friendly, practical, never pushy. Now, the whole system connects. Homeowner to checklist, checklist to email list to follow-up, and follow-up to a first-time deep clean booking. That's a complete funnel running on autopilot. Don't try to build the perfect funnel today. Create the checklist. Build 1 landing page. Connect the lead capture. Add the automation when you're ready. Start simple, prove it works, and improve it with real leads. And that's a complete starter AI sales funnel built around a real business. If this helped, subscribe to TecPartner and hit the bell. Tomorrow, we add a 24/7 AI chatbot to your website, so customer questions get answered even while you sleep. See you there.